Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change Nissan Rogue tail lights. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll need a new replacement bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Opening the rear hatch will give you clear access to the tail light assembly, making the next steps much simpler. Now that you have your tools ready, let's get to the tail light. You'll notice two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. With the tail light assembly detached, you can now access the individual bulbs. Locate the bulb that needs replacing. It's usually the one that's not illuminating. Twist the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly, ensuring a good connection. Once the new bulb is in, reinsert the socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push it firmly back into place until it sits flush. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.